Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve loyalty programs with Starbucks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve loyalty programs with insights from Starbucks, start by understanding your target audience. Identify the key demographics and preferences of your customers. Analyze the current loyalty program's strengths and weaknesses. Consider how Starbucks integrates mobile technology into their loyalty offerings. Explore how their app facilitates easy account management and rewards tracking. Develop a seamless sign-up process to encourage new members. Implement tiered rewards to incentivize higher spending over time. Offer personalized rewards based on customer purchase history. Create engaging promotional campaigns that spotlight limited-time offers. Incorporate gamification elements to make the loyalty experience more fun. Ensure your communication is consistent across all channels, including email and social media. Solicit feedback from your customers to continuously improve the program. Regularly update and refresh the rewards to maintain customer interest. Monitor key performance metrics to assess the program's effectiveness. Adapt your approach based on the evolving preferences of your users. Utilize partnerships or collaborations to provide additional value to loyalty members. Stay informed about industry trends to keep your program competitive. Make sure to communicate the benefits clearly to your customers. Encourage referrals to expand your loyalty program's reach. Remember, the goal is to foster emotional connections beyond mere transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.